Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to convert image to ICO format. As you can see in the screen here, I have this EMI logo. It is a normal image file which has PNG format. My requirement is to convert this PNG format image to ICO format image. And here I'm going to do this by using Python script. For this, you need to download the Python in your computer. That is the requirement. You can easily download and install Python in your computer by going to the website python.org. After installing Python, next you need to have this Python script that I have in this notepad document. Let me open this. Here you can see this is the Python script we need to convert the normal image into ICO format. You can download this notepad document from the link given in the video description section. After downloading, you have to keep this notepad document in the same folder where there is the image. Like here you can see I have put the image and notepad document in the same folder. After that, open the notepad document. Then here in this section you have to change the file name of the image. By default it is given as logo.png. Here you have to put the exact file name and extension of the image. The name of the image is EMI logo and the extension is PNG image. So I have to make it EMI logo. So let me change this to EMI logo dot png because my image is in PNG format. After making the change, you have to save this script as a Python file. For that, click on File tab, click on Save As. Here in the Save As type, select all files, and here in the name you have to put this createico.py. Now click on the Save button, close this notepad document, and here you can see the script is saved as a Python file, createico. Now to convert this normal image or the PNG image to ICO format, you can simply double click on this Python script. Let me double click on this. And here you can see this image is converted to ICO image format with the name of icon. Let me move mouse pointer over this image. And here you can see in the item type it is given as ICO file. So this is how you can convert a normal image to ICO format. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.